Good my lovely viewers and welcome to our class for today. Okay, to continue with our discussion, today we want to talk about division of polynomials. Of course, we've done addition, multiplication, and today we want to talk about division of polynomials. Now we have a question on the board. It says, evaluate x squared plus 2x minus 5 all over x minus 1. So to divide polynomials, we use what we call long division method, which is to draw something like this. Then you put the polynomial, which is the numerator, inside. And then the divisor outside, x minus 1. Now, you look for a number or a variable that when you multiply with the first term of the divisor, it gives you the first term of the polynomial. I said look for a number or a variable that when you multiply with the first term, don't consider the second term this time around, just the first term of the divisor. Something you will multiply with it, it will give you the first term of the polynomial. And which is what? Which is x. If you multiply x times x, it gives you what? X squared. And now that x multiplied by minus 1 will give you minus x. Now, you subtract this second from the first one. You subtract the second from the first one. Of course, this is minus 0. Then minus 5 minus 0 is still minus 5. Now, plus 2x minus minus. Remember, we're subtracting the second from the first. That means there is minus here, right? So it's plus 2x minus minus x. And minus times minus is what? Plus. So it's just like plus 2x plus x. That is what? 3x. If you like, you put plus 3x, but they're just the same thing. Now, x squared minus x squared is 0. So that one is gone. Now, you go for the second time. You look for another term again, another number or variable that when you multiply with this x, it will give you 3x. And what is that number? It is plus 3. Now, plus 3 times x will give you 3x. 3x. And then that same plus 3 times minus 1 will give you minus what? 3. And then you repeat the process, which is dividing and subtracting the second from the first. So this is it. So minus 5 minus 3. So just like minus 5 minus times minus will give us plus. Remember, I said we are subtracting the second from the first, and of course there should be minus here, but you don't write it. So note that you are subtracting the second from the first. So minus 5 minus 3. Just like minus 5, then that minus times this minus will give you what? Plus. So minus 5 plus 3 will give you minus what? Minus 2. And then 3x minus 3x is just like 0. So we have this as the last, the remainder. Now, if you look at this one, there is nothing. You will multiply with this x, I will give you 2, right? Therefore, x squared plus 2x minus 5 divided by x minus 1 will give you x plus 3 remainder. Remainder what? Minus 2. So this is it. So for now, we'll be getting remainder until we get to what we call remainder theory. Factor and remainder theory, because it's part of the thing we will look at. If you check the introduction we did, we said we will do something like the remainder theory, and that is after this division, we enter remainder theory, and after that remainder theory, we are now entering factorization. So thank you for watching. and follow us. Subscribe to our channel. God bless you.